This thing is nuts. I can't even tell you all about it because I don't know all about it. All right, boys, day 2, Drift Week. Let's go get some freaking laps out here at Road America. So right here we have 91 octane unleaded, we have 98 unleaded, we have another 98 unleaded, and then we have 110 octane unleaded. All right, guys, so we lost part of our exhaust. Welcome back for day 2 of Drift Week, boys. I just kind of want to do a little Airbnb tour for y'all real fast. So this is our kitchen area, honestly super sick. We got the living room up here, we got upstairs, we got some bedrooms and stuff. Honestly, pretty dope little place. Let me show you guys the outside though, because that's like what I'm so stoked about. We have this garage too. Garage is super sick. Got some foosball. Got a ping pong table, we got a pool table, a TV, a little mini fridge, all the things you could want at an Airbnb. And then we have this. Oh my God. Beautiful. We don't have any neighbors, we're chilling out here, super sick. And then we have our trusty hot tub, super nice. So yeah, this place is dope. I'm the last one to leave, I think. We're gonna get the heck out of here, boys. Head out to the track. Everybody is kind of chilling today. I think people were up super late last night. I was not. I went to bed early, woke up late, got a bunch of sleep, so we can drive really well. Let's go do it. How's it going? Good, man. All right, boys, we're leaving the hotel real fast, or the Airbnb if you would. I just want to show you some of these sick cars that are here because these things are rad. This one in particularly, Jimmy's car, and then, gosh, I'm so bad with names. Eddie, this is Eddie's car. Eddie's a super sick driver, and this thing is super clean for the most part. I mean, it's a real M3, which is super dope. And then you have this guy. This thing is nuts. I can't even tell you all about it because I don't know all about it, but it's just super sick all around. Jimmy's car is super dope. I gotta show you guys this. Full send. No half sends. You guys got to remember that. And then, oh baby, sorry for partying at Jimmy Bruce. Hell yeah. Go give this guy a follow. This guy's dope. All right, I'm going to hop in the Z. We're going to get the hell out of here. Might have a pit stop on the way, depending how far away it is. I wanted to go do something in town real fast. Let's get on the road. Let's get to the track. Do the thing. All right, boys, day 2, Drift Week. Let's go get some freaking laps out here at Road America. All right, boys, I just secured our body kit because it was falling off as they usually do. And yesterday our exhaust was dragging, so I had to like fix that a little bit with like a clamp. But until that happens, we're not gonna touch it. I'm ready to go send it again. Let's go get some laps, guys. We are out here at Road America and we're about to get gas. I just want to show you guys what this place looks like because it's so cool. So we have this sick Sunoco sign. Anyhow, we got the Road America track behind us. Place is absolutely massive. I just want to let you guys know that course behind me, this racetrack behind me, we drove that yesterday. We did 2 laps and it was 4 miles per lap, so that's 8 miles. So yeah, I mean, 8 miles of driving, absolutely insane, but we're here, we gotta get gas. Let's do that. One more thing I wanna show you guys is the fuel here, because that's the other cool thing. So typically at most gas stations, like in America and stuff, you don't get this kind of fuel. Like for Sunoco, for them to be here, obviously Sunoco is a racing fuel brand, the official fuel of NASCAR, so you know that they have a bunch of good octanes. So right here we have 91 octane unleaded, we have 98 unleaded, we have another 98 unleaded, and then we have 110 octane unleaded, which is like, unless your car is tuned for this, do not put this stuff in your car. Since we've been here, I've only been running the 98. I think the 98 is fine for the Z. Usually I'd run like a 93 or a 91 or something like that. Since they had the 98 option, I was just like, should be fine. I think I would probably run up to 100 in here, but 110 I just like don't think is a good idea. I don't think that the motor is going to handle that or take it very well. But also you can see how expensive it is. It is not a cheap gas to be running, so we're probably only going to run that at this track just because we have the option to do so, and then at the next tracks we're just going to probably run regular gas. So all right, she is full. Let's go ahead, put this girl away. Cool. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. This cap is so stupid. Maybe I do need to pull it back out. There's a, so if you guys own a Z, it's right here. This guy, pull that guy, and then, yeah, okay, cool. That worked, I think. Let's check these tires first, though, real fast, huh? Probably should. Okay, tire. That driver's tire honestly looks pretty freaking solid. Let's go check this one. This is solid. All right, we're good to go, boys. Let's get back out there. Alright guys, so we lost part of our exhaust. Not like the whole thing, obviously. The whole thing's fine. What I'm talking about, there's supposed to be a grommet that goes from here up, and we're missing that. And on this one, super sick, it's still in there. Right there, inside of its home. There it is. So yeah, we gotta fix this side. It's just something, it already broke through. So I bought some of these yesterday. I think she's fixed. Let's give her a look. Unfortunately, I had to twist it a little to make it work. So nice to have super quick fixes. So far, it's been super sick. We've gotten in tons of laps. We've met a bunch of cool people, a bunch of great drivers, had some good food. Now we're finally gonna be leaving Wisconsin for a little while, but we might be coming back. The Z is in one piece. Tires are so-so. Kendas, I don't know, guys. They just don't have the grip that I want in them. The Havasu Matsuris were much better, but they also burn faster. So there's like pros and cons to this. But even at 20 PSI, the Kenda still doesn't feel hooked up enough. Oh my God, that Porsche GT2 sounds so good. All right, boys, welcome back for, this is officially day 3 of Drift Week.